Hi, welcome to today's post market analysis. Today is 10th October, sorry, 16th October 2024. Let's see how the market behaved today and especially the index Nifty and Bank Nifty and what are the possible trades. Okay, first, if you see, this is the 5 minutes time frame. Market yesterday was sideways and then it is volatile, especially with Bank Nifty. It was like completely sideways. And first candle opening, if you see, it is one second. First candle was neutral and then it has broken the range, but the candle was too big. And then if you take the short position here, immediately CPR is there, so there is no trade. And then CPR reversal is one thing, but you know at this point, actually, if you take a long position, there will not be risk reward because Nifty is like very close to CPR. At the same time, you can see here, even if you take a long position here, the risk reward is only this much. So it's kind of not a high probability trade. After that, it's like Nifty stayed below the CPR, Bank Nifty stayed above the CPR. So going long, Nifty can abstract here, and going short here, this is wide CPR. So yesterday was kind of volatile day, it can't decide where to go. So considering yesterday's price action coming to today, we know this is not a high demand zone because there is slight bounce and then came back. It is continuously forming lower lows here, so it's kind of forming a triangle here. So if you see here, the first candle is neutral candle, which indicates indecision. So chances of remaining sideways are higher. If you are a sideways expiry trader, you can put a straddle like this, and then a straddle or triangle, and then you can wait for the price action to stay inside this range. So first candle here is a neutral candle for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty it is bullish, and then immediately there is CPR, so there is no first trade. Second candle, you can see it has broken the CPR resistance, but there is a very big wicks at the top. Okay, so there is again, it's like you can't take a long trade here because it is facing resistance here, and then yesterday also you can see this is a big supply zone where market crashed. Okay, and again it never touched actually that level. The other possible entry is here at 950 when it market made a fake breakout. You can see here it is kind of taking resistance at the CPR, and then here it market is making a fake breakout. So your stop loss is too little here. If you are taking trade here, keep your stop loss here and then aim for the CPR is one trade. But again, it's like this is average to narrow CPR and this is wide CPR. Okay, that is also kind of hesitation will be there. So now we know it is like sideways, but during market hours it is a little bit difficult to take. But this, as it is touching this middle CPR, maybe we can take here and then keep the stop loss here and then aim for the day low again. So finally it looked like it will take the support here. If you see the small doji candle here, but immediately it has broken with a very big red candle, and then it stayed low. If you have to take a breakout trade here, again it's kind of wide CPR, so very less probability, and taking here and then putting stop loss here and aiming for 2 hour here, this is also kind of 1.5. So breakout trade with option buying is risky here considering the wide CPR, because wide CPR tend to behave in a sideways market. So then the a reversal came from here. It is not even a demand zone, or not even, if you see here earlier, it has slight bounce was there earlier. This is day before yesterday's low, so it kind of made a fake breakout there, but it is not a very big demand zone or as such or important level, according to me. And again, round figure is also 24,900, so it didn't even touch there, so I was waiting for that. So it has finally broken the 20 MA here with a very big green candle. Again, it's not like completely trending day to take the fake breakout here again, so we can't take that trade as well. And then I was trying to see whether if it takes the resistance at the same point where it is taking support earlier, but again it has broken that. But we can't take the fake breakout of this candle here, because breakout was happened after very long time, so chances of sustaining are higher. So again it started to go up, but you see wherever the market has fallen, and the entries we have taken, so it almost, sorry, I'll try to draw the line only. Okay, so I was seeing for the next point wherever the selling has happened here. We missed, if you suppose we missed the entry here, I was thinking to take the entry here at this point, or if it comes at this point here also, I was looking to take the short position, because CPR is going to act as a good resistance since we had a good fall. Again, if it coming here, chances of again falling are higher, but it didn't touch that point. Okay, and Bank Nifty also after that, it has stayed calm and then sideways. Another entry would be this box. Okay, let me draw that box here. Okay, wherever we have a big bounce, if it is coming again, we can take the trade and then aim for the day's high. But it's like nothing happened after that, because it is almost close of the market. Okay, so looks like tomorrow is average CPR, but you can see the very huge volume building at the towards the end of the day. It's kind of mixed for Bank Nifty, but Nifty is straight away a very high volume, and this bearish price action is going to act as a very good resistance. So tomorrow, if market opens flat somewhere here, if it is touching this CPR, especially this zone, is going to act as a very good resistance. So if the market is opening below the CPR, between top CPR and middle CPR, I would be interested to take the short position. So this level I will just delete it and keep it ready for tomorrow, and I will mark today's high here, and then here, and this is going to be a demand zone, because we have got very good price action and very good bounce from there. Okay, I'll keep this level, and I would be interested to sell here. Okay, because here there is slight consolidation, so I will mark that level. And also this level is going to act as very good level, because this is a turning point. What time it is? 2:35. Okay, so based on the breakout of any of these levels, let's take the trade tomorrow. As I said, if the market opens flat and taking resistance here, I'll short here, keep the stop loss here, aim for again day's low. If markets open gap down, I'll just wait for the green candle forming here, I'll buy and then keep the stop loss here and aim for the CPR. Okay, market gaps up above the CPR, I'll wait for the retracement and buy here, stop loss here, and then target here. Okay, if market is opening too much gap up, I think this level is a very good opportunity. If there is any red candle here, sell here, keep the stop loss, and aim for the CPR. So these are the possible scenarios for tomorrow. Okay, and this also is going to act as a very good resistance for the coming sessions. I will just mark this level as well. Okay, yes, I will mark this for Nifty, and let's expand this. Okay, just for clarity, and then I'll mark this level, this whole region as a very good support, because okay, I'll keep that way. And then this is like a supply zone for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is kind of stuck in the very narrow region. Let's see at the higher time frame what is happening. It is actually taking resistance at the 20 EMA. So in that case, I think today's high and yesterday's low, you can see here there is indecision. It is trying to break that, and it is trying to get a resistance from there, from the same 20 EMA. So I think if we break this level, there is high chances of touching 400. So if it breaks, we will take this and then aim for the 52 400 points, and if it breaks here again, we will wait for the demand zone of day before yesterday. I will simply mark here. Okay, let me go to 5 minutes time frame. Just this level, correct. I think Bank Nifty, if it breaks either levels, it will be very huge move, I think, going to come. Let's see how the market behaves, and then I'll simply save my chart here. Where is save? Okay, now let's go to okay, now let's go to commodities. Yes, I recently started commodity trading as well. So if we go to crude oil layout, crude oil, or let me get the crude oil directly. Load. Crude oil. Yes. Okay. Crude oil, I'll generally prefer to trade on 15 minutes. Okay. This is yesterday's high, and this is yesterday's low. So market kind of slightly gap up, and then sorry, pardon me for that, I got a call in office. So if we zoom it, market kind of opened within the range of yesterday's, and then you can see here for some time in the morning it is staying in the sideways, and then it has oh sorry, I was looking at the wrong chart. We need US oil, not crude oil. I was wondering what is this price action gap up and all. So I'll remove these levels which are not important, and then I'll keep this. Okay. You see, yesterday is like kind of. I'll just remove all these. I think I don't need all these. You can see even yesterday it's kind of stayed in the sideways range for some time, and then it has finally broken out. So if you see at this point, it is following the 20 EMA. Okay, so I was waiting for the retracement to 20 EMA, but I got some consolidation here. Twice it is taking the support at this point, and then finally a breakout happened. So I went short here, keeping stop loss here, and aim for the 1:2. So I got 1:2 here. And then if you see this level, not exactly a demand zone like earlier, but it has started to bounce. So the idea of booking profit here is this pivot point is there, and then if it bounces until this 20 EMA at least. Sometimes it breaks this and then again continues. So if that happens, it will hit my this is my entry, right? It will hit my stop loss here, which is above that candle. So I have booked my profit, and I was looking to short again when it comes to this level, 20 EMA or 50 EMA fake breakout or something. But it didn't touch here, it almost came, so I couldn't take it because stop loss will be too big for 1:1.2 or something stop loss. And evening sessions will be too volatile. That is another reason for not taking that trade. So coming to today's price action, it is narrow CPR, which includes it can be a big day. So, and we can see luckily it was in completely sideways for a long time until this point. Okay, so when it is at sideways, we can take the trade whenever we see a fake breakout at the top or a green candle formed at the bottom. So here we see green candle. So what I did, I took a long position, kept a stop loss here, and then I think I need to book profit there. So here I lost 1% because since it is a narrow CPR, I was hoping that it will move like this. And another reason for looking is it is like too much of a fall here suddenly. I thought some short covering will be there at least until it touches the 20 EMA. Where is our 20 EMA? See, here is our 20 EMA. Okay, I was thinking at least that 20 EMA will be touched when it is moving up. So since it is very small stop loss, I thought, but I have averaged my position, so I have lost 1% here. And then second trade is like when it had given a fake breakout. So I think we can take the fake breakout here and then aim for the 1:2. So it has taken a very long time, and I think tested the patience. And you see, the irony is when if you miss the trade here, again it has given another chance for you to enter here, and then keep the stop loss here, and then aim for the again 1:2. So one mistake, holding the position until this day low is broken. Second mistake is not taking this trade. Since I didn't take the trade, I have actually taken the late entry here and kept the stop loss very tight above this. So here my stop loss is hit. So first mistake, second mistake, third mistake is not taking here. At this point, what I thought, the market again came to this point, either it has moved like this or moved like this. I have taken long straddle, which is not as per our setup, but I have experimented. So one mistake, two mistake, three mistake. Three mistakes I lost 3% or 2%, I would say. So a mistake made today, I have to rectify this. Coming to gold, Yeah, gold is clearly when the market opened here, it is, if you see here, now it is trending at this point where the market, when the market open here, you can see it is kind of sideways breakout, and it is again taking the support at CPRs. So 20, when the market is trending, you can take the trade when it is reaching the 20 MA. But I was looking for actually a ball candle or full body neat candle like this, you see here. But all the candles have got like wicks, so it consolidated for a long time, and then after a long time it has given the breakout. So even I think we can take the trade here and then keep stop loss here, aim for this. What is this? I think it is 20 MA if I'm not wrong. Okay, I think this is the highest level from where price is recent high. Okay, so I think we can take the short position here. There is no consolidation there. Okay, fine. That is a recent high or all-time high, I think, for gold. So that is one trade, and I was actually looking for the reversal in the second half, because you see this brown region is a common between Europe and American time frame. So this candle, I took the short position, but I kept the stop loss above this. And you see, at least 1:2 we kind of taken. But unfortunately, this green candle has hit my stop loss, because I think in my laptop this level was not there. So in that way, I think this is a very big resistance. I think even for positional, we can take short position here, at least for 1:2. Let me see at the 1 hour time frame what is happening. Come on. I think this level is going to act as very good resistance. If this level is broken, I think it can rally even further. So let me see that. If it gives any retracement, maybe I will just take a swing trading for gold. Yeah. So we know when the European and this is European zone, and then this is American zone, both are coinciding, we know the reversal can happen. So I think this is a very big reversal, but we can't take the short position here and then keep the stop loss here. I think we can wait for the entry here, and then at least we can wait for 1:2. This zone is 2 and this zone is 1. I think we are almost reaching that 1:2. Yeah, that is a gold behavior today. Bad luck today. I don't think we have traded nicely. Maybe tomorrow we'll come back strongly and then trade as per the price action. Okay, see you until then. Bye, all the best.